In this video, we'll see how to create a load balancer in Cuemby Cloud and how to associate it with instances to securely and efficiently publish services on the internet. A load balancer is a component that distributes incoming traffic across one or more instances, improving the availability, performance, and resilience of services. In Cuemby Cloud, load balancers allow you to expose applications to the internet in a controlled manner without needing to directly publish the instances. As we can see, this server has internet access but no associated public IP address to directly expose services to the cloud. We'll proceed to install a service on the instance that allows us to test the load balancer, either with Apache or an SSH service. In this case, we'll test it with an Apache 2 service and check the public IP address through which the instance accesses the internet. We see that the public IP address has no rules and is not configured to publish services on the internet. So, to begin, we'll log into the Cuemby Cloud portal and select the load balancer option. From here, we begin creating a new load balancer, where we define the service's basic parameters. During creation, we configure the load balancer's name and the associated project. The associated project must be the same one where the instance or virtual machine is stored or resides. We also configure the load balancing type based on the service's protocol, such as HTTP, HTTPS, or TCP. We specify the incoming port through which users will access the service, as well as the network and connectivity settings. This configuration determines how the load balancer will receive and manage incoming traffic. At this stage, we also define security aspects such as firewall access rules, SSL certificates, and, in the case of HTTPS services, policies that control the traffic reaching the service. This allows us to publish applications on the internet while maintaining a high level of security. Once the load balancer is created, we can associate it with one or more instances. Here, we select the backend instances that will receive the traffic and the internal port on which the service is listening within each instance. Optionally, we configure health checks that allow the load balancer to verify the status of each instance. In this way, traffic is distributed only to the operational instances. With the load balancer configured and associated with the instances, the service is published on the internet through a single access address. From here, it's possible to add or remove instances without interrupting the service, scale the application horizontally, maintain high availability in the event of failures, and verify the service is correctly exposed using the public IP address provided by the load balancer in a new web browser tab. You can test this via Telnet, curl, or even through a web browser. In short, Cuemby Cloud load balancers allow you to publish services on the internet simply, securely and scalably, ensuring better performance and operational continuity. Thank you for joining us, and we invite you to continue exploring all the capabilities that Cuemby Cloud has to offer.